Hi beauties, for today I bring you a wearable Valentine's look and I hope you enjoy this. Let's start. Okay, for this Valentine's look wearable, I'm going to use this mini retro palette by Natasha Denona. It's all pinks and grays. I think I'm going to use only the pink tones because of I want it to be simple but classy and easy to put on. So it's for everybody, it's not advanced or anything. Okay, I already primed my eyelids. I used, as always, the P.louise base, the Rumor 1. Because it's nice and light, so the base is already light and we're using light colors. And yeah, that's why. So I'm going in with a blending brush in the matte pink and I'm going from the center to the outer corner. And we really can build that up. It doesn't need to be very soft or not noticeable. If you hear something, it's my cat. He wants to come inside, but he can't. Okay, just take it a bit in now. And keep making circular motions. So. I like this color a lot. It's more, yeah, it does remind me about a old pink. It's not that sugary, bright pink. It's something else for a change. You know, I'm all about the bright colors. But for now, we are going to do a very easy peasy, not that loud look. Okay, what I'm doing now, everything is gone from my brush. And now I'm going to scratch the edge. Hey, that rhymes. To make it soft again. You can do that with this brush, you can do it with a smaller, clean blending brush. It's all in the cards, just do what you do normally. I do it my way. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to take this blending brush again and I'm just going to pat that on the outer corner. Just like that. And keep in mind, you can do this with any color that you want to use. Just simple. Just build it on. Build it up very easily in steps. Just not go dive in there and like, because you've got one blob on your eye and blending is real hell then. No, and we don't want a hell on our eyes, I believe. So. And again, I'm going around that edge, just very softly. Okay, we keep this gap open because I'm going to put there a little bit of highlighter at the end to make it more romantic. Now I'm going in with the metallic one with Pixie. So it's a pink metallic. And I'm going to lay that down here. And I know it's a surprise for me too, but I'm not doing a cut crease. I was planning on it, but I was thinking, no, don't do it this time. Because I'm always cutting my crease. do something different this time. That is what I was saying to myself. And because I want it soft and yeah, a cut crease is a hard line, so that doesn't make sense if I want to have a soft look. And I place a line in the middle. So it's beautiful, but you can't see, yeah, I can see the difference, but this one is metallic-y, that is very matte, but I do miss something, and I think it's a lot of glitter because I'm a glitter girl. We all know that by now, I think. If not, now you know. So I'm going to pick up the Galaxia. That is the most glittery one. And I place that in the middle. Just dab it on. Blend it out a little bit to the left and right. And if you think, okay, I want more payoff of that gorgeous glitter, just put it on with your finger. Okay, it has fallout. Glitter and fallout is not my favorite combination. Yeah, that's better. This is such a beautiful brush. It's the Natasha Denona number 6. It has a very short hair, yeah, very short hairs. But I like this for the under eye part because I can be very precise with it. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going back in with the Galaxia and do this here in the inner corner, but then try not to have fallout. I'm taking my fluffy brush again and I'm going very softly underneath the line to buff it out. Okay, now we can leave the eye like this, but we can also use an eyeliner. Normally I would go for black because I love black. This time I'm going for brown. This is the Epic Ink Liner in brown by NYX Cosmetics. And I think I need a little Nabla to do this. So brown liner, pink eyeshadow. Then I'm going to use brown on my waterline as well. And also the bottom line. So you won't see any flesh color anymore. So curling the lashes. My mascara, I'm using the NYX Worth the Hype. This is one of my favorites still. So this is going to be a lashless look, so no fake lashes. Because we're at home, we're not going out or somewhere, and yeah, I don't like to wear fake lashes that often, and I think my own lashes are good enough. So embrace what you've got. So this is my eye look. I'm going to do this eye off camera and I'll be right back and do the rest of my face. So I did both eyes and nothing more, nothing less. Face, yeah, that's where we left things. So I got my Toofaced chocolate bronzer. This is my favorite on this moment, and I'm using the powder brush by Real Techniques, the 201. And I'm just going to act like I'm going to sculpt my face. But I'm not. I'm just bronzing it. Hairline. Because I got a large forehead, so I can do the upper part also. If you have a lower forehead, don't do this. It's not recommendable because you don't have any face left after that. So nowhere to stop. And just pull it back into your hairline because we don't want lines. Then we've got our highlighter, the Natasha Denona. I need a nude glow. That's really what I need. And I don't know why, but I'm using the contour brush from Real Techniques to apply it. It works perfect for me. I can swipe it everywhere where I want. It's a round brush, so I can be very precise. I can blend it out with it. So that's really good. Then I got another brush from Real Techniques. This is the base shadow brush. So it's for your base shadow. Okay. I'm using it for my highlighter on the tip of the nose and the bridge of the nose and the top of the puzzle. We're going in with the Natasha Denona blush duo, blush and highlighter duo. So we did the face, we finished it, we only need to do the lips. And I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown lipstick. And this is the Luxe Lip Color Neutral Rose. And what I like with Neutral Rose is this. Just place it on the inner inside of your lips and pat it towards the edge. So this way it doesn't lose its shine. It has a velvety shine, so everything what you drag to the outer side of your lip is going to be a little bit more matte, but still has a little sheen on it. Okay, I'm forgetting one thing. I wanted to place here some highlighter, but I don't want it to be glowing in your face, so it is the I Need a Nude highlighter by Natasha Denona because it's gorgeous and not in your face. So just like this, you see? So this was the Valentine's look for the year 2021. I hope I gave you some inspiration for a very easy makeup look to feel good, to look good, and to create something with these days inside. So yeah, let me know what you thought about this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it will help me tremendously with the growth of my channel. And yeah, I love to have you as a member. For now, I'm wishing you a very great day and hope to see you next time. Okay, bye!